are here today with Michael Cheney. Michael, welcome back to the show.
Hey, thanks for having me.
I'm really excited to have you here today. We're going to be talking about something that I'm personally excited about, and I know that you're actually excited about this, and this is AI and using AI in our businesses. Now, we've seen so many different products come out over the last couple of years about AI, and people will create these different things that aren't necessarily very useful, but you've actually created something that we can use in our daily campaigns, we can actually use to make money with. I'm going to read the headline for your product here. It says, Elon Musk says using this means you will never have to work again. This AI profit machine is making me $1,176 per day while I'm gardening, watching movies, and goofing off. And the best part, all you need to do is turn it on and tell it what to sell. So we've got some big income claims here, $1,000 a day that you say it's making you. Bring us into this, and yeah, why should we be excited?
So yeah, to start off with the Elon Musk quote, obviously that is about AI generally. He was talking about the fact that there'll come a day soon where you won't have to work, where work will be an option for you. It'll just be, do you want a job or not? It's up to you. When the government puts that universal basic income in place, that's what he's talking about there. Now, as you said, a lot of the AI stuff that's out there is very generic. It's very basic, and it's just not practical. It's coming from a technical point of view, but it's not coming from a marketing point of view. It doesn't have the marketing brain. So what I wanted to do with this tool, the AI profit machine, is really take what I know about marketing and actually generate and create an AI that does marketing like I do without all of the hard work that's involved. So the cool thing that this AI profit machine does is, first off, you don't have to give it a bunch, you don't have to get your thoughts into it. You don't have to give it some huge long prompt or anything like that. All you do is you copy and paste the sales letter in. This is your first step with it. You copy and paste in the content of a sales letter for the product that you want to promote. So if it's your own product or it's an affiliate product you want to promote, you just copy a bunch of it. You go to the AI profit machine, you paste it in there. And what the AI profit machine is going to do is it's going to analyze that sales letter. And it's going to look at the content, it's going to look at the promises, the claims of the sales letter, and it's going to look for gaps. And it's going to look for holes or gaps in this product that could be filled by a bonus. Because we all know as affiliate marketers, if you're just going out with an affiliate link, like 90% of affiliate marketers, there's no differentiation there, right? Why would somebody buy through your link?
It's a horrible way of doing marketing. It's what I mean when I have students, I teach them, do not send directly to an affiliate link. You're going to be wasting your traffic.
Right. Yeah, people do it. We've all done it. I mean, I did it back in the day, like 20 plus years ago, or whatever. You just, it's a quick way to make money, but it doesn't work. You've got to educate people before they get to the product. You've got to encourage them. You've got to get them excited. You've got to enthuse them. And normally that's a lot of work. You need a lot of marketing intelligence in order to do that. How do you hit on the pain points? How do you establish fear with the audience? How do you build desire? Like, this is what marketing is. And if you don't know that, it's going to be difficult to turn those clicks that you're getting into sales. But with this, with the AI profit machine, it analyzes that sales letter. It looks for gaps in the product, and it gives you recommended ideas for a bonus that would complement and fill those gaps. Okay, so it looks at the sales letter and it goes, okay, let's say this sales letter is about traffic. I've spotted a couple of opportunities here, and the AI profit machine will say, these are 5 possible bonus ideas. Which one of these do you like best? Okay, so you look at these, it gives you 5 back, and I don't know, maybe one of them is about driving more Facebook traffic, or one is about getting traffic through blogs, and you're like, okay, well, let's go with a social media one. Let's go with a Facebook one. And then you literally just answer that by saying 1, putting in the number 1, hitting return. Okay. And the AI profit machine then creates a bonus, like 1,000-word bonus report, detailed step-by-step practical information, sometimes including websites or other tools and recommendations. And it creates this bonus for you that you can then use as an added incentive for people to buy through your link rather than anyone else's.
Would you take that and create that into a PDF, or how would you make that into a tangible bonus from what it's given you?
Yeah. So what we teach inside the members area for this is a simple process. It's free of taking that content and turning it into a PDF. That's one of the easiest ways to do. Is to take the content, turn it into a PDF, and you now have this digital asset that, I mean, you could use it, of course, to generate sales for an affiliate promotion, but you could just create a ton of these and even turn it into a product, or you could reuse it again for another promotion. You could use it even as a lead gen thing to get people to opt into your mailing list. So there's many, many different ways that you could use it. But to keep things simple in the members area, I'm always a big believer in, rather than doing things in parallel and having different spider diagrams of where you could go off and options you could take, is just keeping people on a simple path, serial path, one thing after the other. Mm-hmm. So what we recommend is you take this and you turn it into a PDF. You now have your bonus. Now you could, at that point, you could take that bonus, you could turn it into a blog post even. There's various different things. You could turn it into an email. You could have somebody read it out. It could be a YouTube video. There's various different things. You could also just go back to step one and say, well, it's great. I've got one bonus. Let me go back and do this again, and let me choose one of the other bonuses, and I'll get another one, right? So you could just do this endlessly, really, and create a ton of bonuses that are all related to this one product that you've had the AI profit machine look at for you. Now, it's taken us a few minutes to explain this, but when you actually do this, you're literally just copying, pasting, and pressing a number on your keyboard of which bonus you want, and that's your involvement in terms of work, and then you get this bonus, right? So it's super easy and super fast. All the hard work and the marketing intelligence is gone into what's been programmed into this behind the scenes.
What about traffic? And because now so let's think about it. You found an offer to promote, whether it's your own or an affiliate offer. Now you have the bonuses, so you're able to convert this potential customer into a sale. But where's the customer going to come from?
Right. So yeah, obviously everybody needs traffic. It's a key challenge in internet marketing and affiliate marketing in particular. This leads into step two. So step one with the profit machine, you're giving it a sales letter, is giving you bonuses. Step two is it will create a product review for you of that product. And it's literally, we've created a button. I wanted to actually get to a point where it was literally a push button. Okay. So you don't even have to put in a prompt. You just click the button, create review. And it will then, at this stage, step two, it then creates a product review of the product that you've given it the sales letter for. And because it's already created a bonus, because you've already picked the bonus that you want, that product review will actually lead people and explain to people about the bonus that's available when they buy through your link. So
they're interlinked.
Right, exactly. These are not independent. Like my previous release, I've created, because obviously I'm working on creating new AI tools all the time. I'm using them myself in my own business. And then, the ones that are really working well, try and release them into the public. The prior kind of some of the stuff that I put out in the past AI tools were kind of disparate, separate things. There's a tool to do this and a tool to do this. What I really wanted to do with this one, which I managed to achieve with the AI profit machine, is just have it all under one roof. So it's one tool. So when you first see it, you're like, what? That's it? But the power of it is incredible, because you paste that sales letter in, you select which bonus you want, you now have a bonus. Then you click the button that says create product review, and then 2 seconds later, you have a full detailed product review with a star rating. It tells you the main benefits of the product, the features. It will have pros and cons, because that's how we've coded this thing. So, and it will create a genuine review that will lead a prospect to become a buyer. And then at the end of that review, it will say, of course, if you grab this through my link, you also get this bonus. And because the AI profit machine created the bonus, it knows the best way to position and sell that bonus for you on your behalf. So that's step two of three. And that can assist with traffic to a certain degree, because as we all know, if you do this launch jacking thing, if you're promoting a product during a launch and you have a review, it's a great way to get traffic. I mean, you'll see it all the time. When a product goes live, pretty much anybody who's anybody, just Joe Schmo, can get ranked on the first page of Google for a new product.
That's what I've been doing for years. I mean, that's the whole thing I've been doing and anyone can do it. I don't know why everyone doesn't do it.
Right. Yeah. So you can get in Google, you can get easily ranked and good traffic coming in from YouTube as well. So you can take this product review, you can just copy paste it stick it on a WordPress blog, you could stick it on LinkedIn, you could stick it on social media, you could read it out on YouTube, and you've got a video, and you've not had to do any of the legwork. So you've got a way there, you've got a magnet that's going to get you some traffic during the launch of that product, and presuming it's an evergreen product, evergreen on an ongoing basis is going to get you some traffic coming in.
And that's the thing with these type of assets, Michael, is that you create them, and like you said, during the launch period, that's when a bunch of traffic comes in, and that's where people are watching. Like, people are going to watch this interview, and maybe they're going to go out and search for some more information and search YouTube, and who knows what, they're going to get an email from someone and then search and maybe find this on YouTube. That's where the most of the traffic comes in. But you'd be surprised, and actually I don't think you would be, but some people might be surprised that even later on, even years later, I will get sales from products that I did reviews of back in like 2015 or something. I'll get a commission that will come in. And I'm sure this happens to you as well. I'll get a commission that comes in, and I have no idea what it was, because my brain doesn't work like it used to anymore. I'll forget, because I've been around just like you. I've been around as long as you have, but I've been doing it for quite a while now. Been doing internet marketing, I believe, since 2013, 14-ish. And there'll be products that I'll get commissions on, and I won't even remember what they were. And that's because when you create these type of assets and you create content, you put it out there to bring in traffic, it brings in traffic for years and years and years to come. And sometimes even, like, let's say a product has closed and it's not evergreen anymore. Well, that can still bring in traffic, and you can get people on an email list, and you can get them to opt in. You can start recommending different other products that are coming out in the future. So I really like this. This is advanced stuff. As far as the bonus creation stuff, that's tough to do if you don't have help doing it. That's something that you learn over time, what people are looking for, etc. Especially, it sounds like we've been kind of talking about the internet marketing niche. Will this work for other niches as well? Is this just like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, Make Money Online stuff? Will this work for other niches?
Yeah, this will work for anything. I mean, you can throw any product in there, any sales letter, and it's going to look at it from a marketing point of view, from a sales psychology point of view, and it's going to look for those gaps and say what is going to make a good bonus for this product. So yeah, it doesn't have to be internet marketing. Obviously, going back to what I said before, I teach in a very sort of serial, narrow way, just to keep people on track and not sort of confuse or overwhelm people. So I talk exclusively in the members area about internet marketing products. But yeah, you could use this for anything. What I'm really hoping is going to happen is that people will use this for this initial kind of use case at first, but then they'll really see the scope and the potential of this, right? That, okay, yeah, it's creating these bonuses, but I could create multiple bonuses. I can use it. You can use this literally every time you run a promotion for anything, even if it's your own product, different niches. You can create multiple bonuses. You can take that content, you can repurpose that bonus into a report, into a lead magnet that gets people on your email list. You could break it up into different emails that get sent out, into different video. I mean, it's just endless, But the point is, the content is top quality because it's based on the original source material of the sales letter. So it's very accurate to what the offer is, but it's got marketing intelligence baked into it because of my brain was in coding this thing. Like, it's not a coder. I don't have a team of coders. I don't have some guy in Russia or whatever. I made this. So I've taken my 25 years of internet marketing experience and I've taught it how to do this, how to read the sales letter, what to look for, what to, the warning signs or the how to spot gaps, and then how to spin that into a bonus. And then obviously with the review, how to have a review that is genuine, is not, it's not over the top. We're not like spinning, tails here, but does have, facts in there, does have some negatives in there, but it's positioned in a way that is still going to encourage people to investigate, to go ahead and buy, and obviously then get your bonus and so on. So those are the first kind of two of the three steps. The third step with the AI profit machine is, and again, this is just a click of a button. So you've got your bonus or your bonuses. You click the button to get the product review. You've now got your product review. And then you click the last button, which is create social posts. and it will create you a series of social media posts that you can go and put on Facebook or LinkedIn or wherever. And what it will do is it will look again at everything that's built up before. And this is why it's important to do it sequentially. And this is why I wanted to do everything in one tool, because it takes the content of what you've previously discussed, so that initial sales letter that you put in, the bonus conversation that went back and forth where it said which of these 5 do you want, and you selected one, the content of the bonus, and then it takes all of that, and then with the review, obviously then it's got the product review. So it takes all of this content into consideration and into account when it then starts creating these social media posts. And the other thing that it does at this final step, which is super important, is it will take some personal aspects and some input from you about your life or your hobby or your partner or your pet or something like that, to make these social media posts a bit more personal, so that they're not like out and out promotional posts. It's not like, come buy this product does blah blah blah. It's more of a story based post. Yesterday I was out fishing and so on, that kind of thing.
So you add in, like, you tell it to weave in something about that you want it to weave in about yourself. Is that how that works? I'm kind of confused about that aspect of it.
Yeah. So when you go to create the social post, it will actually prompt you, right? So I've set it up with, it's like a gatekeeper, right? So it won't just go off and do it, unlike the previous steps, which doesn't need your input because it's had the sales letter, right? So that's all it needs to be able to do all the rest of it, because all the marketing intelligence is in the background from what I've coded. But from the social media aspect, it doesn't know anything about you at this point, right? And I can't code that into the machine about you because I don't know anything about each person that's going to be using this. So at this point, it sort of stops and it recognizes, oh, wait a minute, I need a bit more information. So it will ask you, what's your hobby? Do you have pets? Something like that. It'll just ask you 2 or 3 very basic personal questions, and it takes that information and creates these stories that are very specific to you, but also link into the product and the call to action at the end. So you end up with this very unique social media content, which is specific to you, but also has the marketing intelligence baked into it that I've coded, and the product specific intelligence that you gave it at the start with the sales letter, right? Now, which to my mind is incredible. I don't see anybody, I've not seen anyone else making these kind of tools available. And prior to this, what most people are doing is they're going to ChatGPT, create me 10 Facebook posts about product ABC, and the posts come out. I mean, they're English, they are words, but they don't make sense, because they've got no personal context. ChatGPT doesn't know anything about.
It could be written by anyone, and it could have come from anyone. There's no connection. The whole thing about, like, the reason why someone is on my list or someone else's list or my following is they expect some kind of style from that person.
Right.
And if you just have a robot doing everything and there's that's why it's so hard just to take, like you said, just to go to ChatGPT and say, write me an email promoting this product. Your followers are going to be like, okay, what, like, that doesn't, where's Mike? Where's Mike from Maine in this? Why am I following this person when I could just be following someone else? So that personalization, I think I agree with you, is very important. Okay, so if people decide to get this, what exactly are they going to get? And walk us through the upgrades here. What are they going to be offered there?
Okay, so for the base level, right? If you just get the basic level, you'll get the AI profit machine, which does everything that we've just described, creates the bonuses, creates a product review, creates a social media post for you. There's also a ton of bonuses that we throw in to the mix as well with this. So that's the base level. The first upgrade is access to make commissions on our high ticket program, one of our high ticket programs. And we give you 10 licenses of this. So you'll make $1,000 commissions on each sale. So this is a $10,000 commission license pack. That's the first upgrade. The second upgrade gives you access to more businesses that are done for you, that you can promote using this tool, which will enable you to make more commissions, get you guaranteed approval on these products so you don't have to build up a reputation in the affiliate market space. And these are partners that I know personally that I've worked with that have agreed to give you and set you up with high level commissions for programs that you can use this tool to make money with. So that's
and
the
you're going to
second
have guaranteed approval and everything for
right,
for those.
fast track approval. And then the third upgrade is a resale rights package, lifetime resale rights on the AI profit machine. So this is, you get access to promote this entire thing and keep all of the money from the entire thing. So those are the upgrades. They're all, obviously, as always, they're all optional. They will get you there quicker and easier, obviously. And that's basically the funnel.
If you get some of those upgrades, like you could use the software to help you promote some of those ones. Like if you get the resale license, you could use this software to create bonuses for it, etc.
Yeah, I mean,
and drive traffic to it.
Yeah, I mean, they just get kind of no-brainer-ish, as you start to look at them. I mean, particularly the first upgrade with the high-ticket license pack. I mean, you're going to be sending traffic anyway, to the done for you business. And one thing we've not even spoken about yet is as part of this we do give you a done for you business. Okay, so you get access to a business that's already done over $400,000, and you get to keep 100% of all the money from the sales of that business, just as part of the base offer of AI profit.
That's included on the offer they see on the sales page.
Yeah, that's included in that, right? And this is a one-time fee just to get AI profit machine, and it's ridiculously low. It's not a recurring thing. You can use it as many times as you want. You can create tens of thousands of bonuses for the rest of your life and promote this done for you business, okay, as well. So the first upgrade, which is why most people get the uptake on this is just incredible on the first upgrade, because you're going to be promoting the business anyway. The upgrade means that when people that buy that go and get our high ticket program, you're going to get $1,000. They're going to do it. They will do it anyway. So for no extra work, that upgrade just gives you the ability to get $1,000 commissions every time somebody gets the high ticket program that we offer.
But if you don't get the upgrade, you don't get the commissions.
You don't get a high ticket without. Yeah, no, for your $9.95. When you just get the basic thing, we don't give you the $1,000 commissions. But if you get the upgrade, that unlocks those $1,000 commissions license pack for you. That's the first upgrade that most people go for. A lot of people go for that one. Yeah.
Michael, thank you so much for coming on the show today. Is there anything else, anything that we missed, anything you wanted to mention before we wrap it up?
I would just say, guys, just go for it. It's literally it's a couple of Starbucks coffees. Okay, there's a 30-day guarantee on it. There's no secret hidden charges on this. You can just go try it out. There's no monthly recurring. You can create infinite product reviews, infinite bonuses, infinite social media posts, and get access to a business that's already done over $400,000 for basically less than $10. I mean, it's a no-brainer. And I say most people do get that upgrade, the first upgrade, to get those $1,000 commissions as well.
Again, thank you so much for coming on the show, and best of luck with your launch.
Thank you. You're welcome.